Cigarettes. Cigarettes. Halal. Yeah, as long as you don't light it. The minute you light it, actually, you know, cigarette smoke kills innocent people, because anybody in the room with you or in the automobile with you, even a child, breathing that can contract cancer, and they can have that latent inside of them for years and then later develop it after they're full grown. It happened to my wife. She never smoked in her life, yet she had cancer, which almost killed her. She still suffers from the effects 20 years later because her parents were heavy smokers. So not only can you be asked about the damage you do to yourself, you may actually be, on the day of judgment, accused of murder. I highly recommend, if you have that habit, get rid of it quick. Not good.